Now we start the monograph of all these three compounds one by one. So first, precipitated sulfur. Molecular or chemical formula of sulfur, that's yes. Molecular weight of sulfur, that's 32.6. Synonym, that is milk of sulfur. Milk of sulfur. Preparation. It can be prepared by the action of mineral acids on the solution of thiosulfates. जो थायोसल्फेट्स होते हैं उसके ऊपर उनका अगर एसिड का एक्शन अगर किया जाता है तो हमें वो एसिड्स का कन्वर्शन जो है वो सल्फाइड्स के साथ में कन्वर्शन होकर थायोसल्फेटिक एसिड्स में होता है एंड फ्रॉम दैट थायोसल्फेटिक एसिड्स वी आर गेटिंग sulfur. For example, it can be prepared by the action of mineral acids. It can be prepared by the action of mineral acids on the solution of thiosulfate. So we are taking the examples of sodium thiosulfate, Na2H2O, plus twice HCl, that's mineral acid. We are getting H2H2O3 thiosulfuric acid plus twice NaCl. Now these thiosulfuric acids, that's where given sulfur and sulfur dioxide. We have given that produces sulfur plus SO2 plus water. Simple. Sodium thiosulfate, we are reacted with mineral acids like hydrochloric acids, we are getting thiosulfuric acid. That thiosulfuric acid decomposes and we are getting sulfur, sulfur dioxide and water. That sulfurs we are remove, dry and use. Standard. Precipitated sulfur and sublimed sulfur, that's included in the second edition of IP, means IP 1966, but that's not included in fourth edition in IP 1996. But this precipitated sulfur is included in the list of reagents and solution. So there is not a specific standard is prescribed in latest edition, but as per IP 1966, it contains not less than 98% and not more than 100.5% weight by weight. Now properties. First state, it occurs as a pale yellow green amorphous powder. Pale yellowish green amorphous powder. Odor, odorless, or slightly odor of irritant. Taste, tasteless. Solubility, it is insoluble in water and alcohol, but soluble in carbon disulfide. अब ये जो है ये insoluble है इसलिए हमें precipitation मिलता है. Then it is also insoluble in alcohol, but it is soluble in carbon disulfide CH. कार्बन डाइसल्फाइड में अगर आप मिक्स करोगे तो वो डिसॉल्व हो जाएगा. When we are burn this sulfur, it gives blue color to the flame. That is also one characteristic taste for the sulfur. Sulfur containing substances, if we are burned, so that produces particularly that blue color flame. हर मेटल आयंस को अगर आप बर्न करते हो तो उसका अलग अलग कलर का फ्लेम मिलता है. सोडियम अगर आप बर्न करते हो so that produces yellow color. Like that, sulfur अगर आप बर्न करते हो तो that produces blue color to the flame. Uses, it is used as an antiseptic and parasiticide. Parasiticide means particularly those insects are particularly that insects live food is remaining on the life cycle of another animals. That's why I say the parasites. यानी वो परोपजीवी होते हैं जिनका जीवन दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है. ऐसे जो भी कुछ पैरासाइट्स होते हैं तो उनके लिए तो ये यूज करते हैं उनको किल करते हैं. Then keratolytic agent, it is used as a keratolytic agent. It is also used as a scabicide. Internally, it is used as a laxative or mild cathartic, that's we are saying. And sulfur is the most common ingredient of number of homeopathic preparations. So homeopathic preparations that depends on the 12 types of the different compounds. Amongst that, sulfur is one. So these are the different uses of sulfur. Now storage condition. It should be stored in a well-closed container. Then next compound, that is sublime sulfur. Molecular formula is same. Yes. Molecular weight is also same. 32.6. Synonym flour of sulfur. The arrangement of crystals is looks like a flower. So that sulfur also called as a flower of sulfur. Preparation. It is obtained by condensing sulfur vapor produced by heating of any form of sulfur. यानी सल्फर किसी भी प्रकार के सल्फर को अगर आप हीट करें कंडेंस तो वेपर्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा एंड दैट वेपर्स इफ दे आर कूल्ड we are getting that crystalline sulfur and that crystals arranged as like a flower. So that's why we are saying the flower of sulfur. Then properties. It occurs as a fine yellow crystalline powder. Odor, a faint odor, taste, it is also faint acrid characteristic taste, solubility, the same. It is insoluble in water and alcohol, but it is soluble in carbon disulfide. When it burns, the flame producing to the particularly blue color producing to the flame and converts into sulfur dioxide. Uses, same uses. It is used as an scabicides or antiseptic and parasiticides. It is also used as a catalytic agent and that also has a mild laxative or cathartic effect. Storage, again store in a well closed container. Then third one, that is selenium sulphide or selenium disulfide, whatever we are saying. Formula SeS2. Molecular weight, that is 143.09. आप सिर्फ 143 लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Synonym, just I am saying selenium disulfide. Di means two. So here sulfur with two molecules here. So that's why I am saying the disulfide. Preparation. It is prepared by treating selenious acid with saturated hydrogen sulfide solution in presence of aluminium chloride. सेलेनियस एसिड को अगर आप रिएक्ट करोगे हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड सॉल्यूशन के साथ में तो आपको सेलेनियम सल्फाइड मिलेगा. अब सेलेनियस एसिड H2SeO3 रिएक्शन plus saturated solution of hydrogen sulfide. They reacted. Then we are getting selenium disulfide plus water. Hydrogen sulfide solution. We are getting precipitation of selenium sulfide with water. Then properties. स्टैंडर्ड लिख लीजिए पहले प्रॉपर्टीज के पहले स्टैंडर्ड IP standards we are seeing. It contains not less than 52% and not more than 55% of selenium. 52, 55%. Properties. It occurs, first state, it occurs a bright orange to reddish brown powder. Odor, a faint odor of sulfur. Taste, no need to write taste because it is a highly toxic compound. Solubility, it is insoluble in water and in organic solvent, but it dissolves in nitric acid with formation of selenious and sulfuric acid. अगर आप नाइट्रिक एसिड में उसको डालोगे तो सेलेनियस एसिड भी मिलेगा और सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड भी प्रोड्यूस होगा. Then selenious acid selenious or selenium sulfide, sorry, selenium sulfide is highly toxic in nature, so it should be handled with a great care and should not be allowed to enter in the eyes. Even it comes in contact with metals, then that metal is also affected with that selenium sulfide. Uses. Selenium sulfide is highly toxic if taken orally or systematically. So, it should be avoided use internally. But it is commonly used as an anti-dandruff shampoo. It is commonly used as an common ingredient of anti-dandruff shampoos. It is also used in the treatment of seborrheic dermatitis. Seborrheic dermatitis means generally जो sebum होता है, this secretion those were secreted from our pores of skin and it becomes solidified, so that produces like white particles that forms. That's where saying the blackheads or whiteheads generally occurs on the face of some people. So in the treatment of that is also used. Then storage, it is stored in a well closed container. Generally, it is used in anti-dandruff shampoo. That's a common use. Anti-dandruff shampoo. तो ये एंटी-डैंड्रफ शैम्पूज अगर आप देखोगे तो मार्केट में बहुत सारे अवेलेबल हैं, उनके लेबल्स के ऊपर इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए हैं, यूज केयरफुली, अवॉइड इन द कांटेक्ट with eyes, remove the ornaments if you have used white sharply, use shampoo, and rinse your hands completely to remove the selenium sulphide. Even if you are handlers, so wash your hands thoroughly. So all these are about the monograph of selenium sulphide and sulfur and its compound. So here we are completed one more topic, that's the topical agent. So in next lecture we are start a new one topic. Okay, thank you.